Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve Ranger Team, Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve in Assam, India. Awarded for outstanding contributions to tiger protection and human-tiger conflict resolution. The Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve Ranger Team is deployed for long periods in remote areas that are both challenging and hazardous. Their efforts have led to significant decreases in poaching of tigers and rhinos. The team has demonstrated considerable skill, courage and perseverance in addressing the impact of tigers straying from the reserve into local communities, endangering people and their livestock. They have been successful in both capturing and relocating straying tigers and in securing the cooperation and confidence of affected communities. We shall now go from
I, on behalf of my team and Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve, would like to thank World Commission on Protected Areas and International Union for Conservation of Nature for selecting us for the International Ranger Award for this year. This award will definitely boost our hard work and dedication towards the protection and conservation of the wildlife. Thank you.
Team from Orang